Hi, my name is Kaylee Cleveland, and I'm one of the sales account managers here at SaberLogic. And today I'm going to be going through and showing you some of the basics of Bezlio to help you get a better understanding of the interface. So I'm going to start off by going to the first icon underneath my name. And this is just for the user profile management. And I can edit my first, last name, title, and I can upload an image or change my image. And then once I were to edit any of these and I wanted to save the changes, I would just select Update Profile. Under this tab, you also have the ability to change your password. So you would just click that, update, and change your password. The next tab is the $sign. So this brings you out to Chargeify, which is our billing portal. And it gives visibility into your subscriptions along with your statements. So under the subscriptions tab, you can change your plan or you could cancel. You can also update your payment method. So if you have an expiring card or you want to use a different method, you can just change all of that here. And then under the statements, this is going to give you a monthly statement of each month that you have had Bezlio. And then if you click on one of these, you can just download that as a PDF. And then you can send it or, just save it for your records. So I'm going to close out of there. And then this gears icon is for maintaining the bezels. So under here, it shows me all of the bezels that I've created. You can scroll down. So the newest bezels that you create will end up on the bottom of this list. Next would be the shared bezels. So these are all of the bezels that have been shared with me from other Bezlio users. And then lastly is the create bezel. So I can just start and actually create a bezel from this tab right here. I can do apps, can do templates, can import. So I would import files that people had sent me, or I could just build a custom bezel all from right here. Next, we're going to go up to the top, and I'm going to go ahead and click this hamburger button. So basically what it's doing is collapsing the left-hand side so I can have more room to view all of my bezels. And I still have functionality for what was in this tab by clicking right here. So it's going to give a list of all of my panels. And I can add a panel here as well. And then the center bell icon is just for my notifications, which I do not have any currently. And then this little cloud, which is our Bezlio icon, you can just click that and you'll go back to your home page. And then I wanted to show you this unlock button. So that just shows how to log out. So if I can log out in one click, or I can go up to this right-hand corner and then log out this way. So now I'm going to get a little bit into the bezels that we have, just some basic arranging. So you're able to make them smaller or larger by just pulling and dragging the corner. If I wanted to bring these two to the top, I can rearrange them by selecting the title and pulling that under and dragging and dropping it. Another thing I wanted to show was how to pin bezels to your home page. So all of these bezels have been created in other panels. So these two were created in our DCS panel. And what you would do is just go ahead and click the home key. And then when you do that, this is going to ask me, if I want to remove it from my home since I've already pinned it here. And then if I go to, say, the budget by state, I can click home. And then it's going to pin this to my home page. So it's going to go ahead and show up on there now. Or I could remove it from the home. So I'll just finish this up in this budget by state tab, but I also have the ability to edit the view. So say I wanted to change the title of this bezel from maintain budget by state. I could just adjust that title in here and save the view, and it would change that for me. And then I also have the ability to share bezels that I've created. So you can share that. If you just click share bezel, you can send it by email to somebody who has Bezlio. So this would be if you were sharing it with another Bezlio user, you would just type in their email address and then it would show up under their shared bezels under the user. So we'll go back to that panel. So also under share, you can view the share. So you can view how many people that you have shared that bezel with. And I have just shared it with one person. You can remove those shares at any time. but I'm going to keep those there. And then lastly, under the share, you can save a snapshot of this bezel. So when I save a snapshot, it is just going to take basically a screenshot of everything that's already in there. And then I can click it and it's going to show me that bezel. And then from here, I could save it or email it if I wanted to somebody who did not have Bezlio. But you want to get it. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please post them below.